So we did the ultimate ride event. We met up at Site 6. We usually meet up around 8 or 9 in the morning. Everyone starts getting ready. Usually we get in the water about 9-ish and get out of there about 10. Left Site 6, we headed towards London Bridge. We did a photo shoot there, had everyone together. I think we had a total of 30-something odd skis.
Kind of cool to go through London Bridge with a big group of people. Everyone was looking at us, taking pictures, like a big motorcycle gang, but cooler. And then we picked up a couple of our sponsors on our chase boat. They had a lot of cool gear for us.
Coming out of the gorge, it was just neat having all of us riders just full throttle all the way through, just amazing.
We had 2 stop points along the way. We regrouped there, everybody had a little drink, some waters and Gatorades and stuff for about 20 minutes, and then we continued on to Pirate Cove. We had lunch there.
We finally arrive at Pirate Cove, and it's neat to just, go back to no wake zone through the Pirate Cove. Everyone parking their boats are just saying, hey, look at all those jet skiers, man. It was just an awesome experience.
They had a really big beach reserved for us, which was really nice. Parked all our skis there.
Then we go to the dining area, and they got the whole back area reserved for West Coast Watercraft Club members. And every seat was prepared for us special, and you knew we felt like VIP members.
We also had Pro Rider magazines on everybody's seat when we walked in. That was kind of cool. So you put your order in and got to flip through that.
So what was really cool at Pirate Cove, they, aside from reserving that beach for us, they had all of our West Coast Watercraft rides and media stuff playing on all the big screen TVs at the restaurant. It was kind of nice because all the other people that were eating there were able to watch it and see, what this group was really about.
There's other people at the restaurant going, who are those people? And they're up on the TV screen, and we're like, this is West Coast Watercraft Club taking over Pirates Cove. It's amazing. First time it's ever been done as big and dramatic as it was.
Thank you for joining us on our 2nd annual Ultimate Ride event. We're going to be starting our raffle off. The first 3 winners are going to be getting the prize bags.
They put out on the meetup, there's going to be some swag, and we get to this event, and they're like, hey, there's going to be 3 big prize bags. And I go in there and I see there's Quickie Sense life jackets. You had a 30% off Works ride boots, easily $100, $150.
We were fortunate enough to have a bunch of cool prizes on a raffle. And I know Sea-Doo Yamaha had some really cool stuff. We all hung out and got some cool gear.
It was just neat to see all the items that were raffled off to the club members. No one walked away empty-handed. So if you've got a personal watercraft, now's the time to join. Go to Meetup and look for West Coast Watercraft Club. Become a member, get involved. You can be assured that we're gonna have a great time in these rides.